Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk you about the books of English Honours second year, third semester. So let's quickly just move on to the video. So firstly, let's talk about your subjects. So you have total 5 subjects in which you have 3 literature core subject, 1 GE and 1 additional subject. In your 3 literature core subjects, you have popular literature, American literature, British poetry and drama 17th to 18th century. Now take a look at the books of popular literature. So firstly you have 𝙎𝙬𝙨, Experience of Untouchability. Then you have Through the Looking Glass. Thirdly you have The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. And fourth book that you have is Imagining World and Mapping Possibility. Now let's talk about your second core subject, American literature. So in American literature you have Beloved by Toni Morrison. Secondly you have The Glass Menagerie. Third one is your critical anthology of American literature. Now let's talk about British poetry and drama 17th to 18th century. So firstly you have Macbeth. Secondly you have Paradise Lost book 1. Third one is your The Rover, and fourth one you have The Rape of the Lock. Bye bye, see you in my next video.